Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. Okay, I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. This is your general love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because this is the general love reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, a very happy birthday to all my Aquarians who are having birthday on these days. So let me know in the comment section so that I can personally say happy birthday to you and send you a virtual birthday cake. Okay, there is an announcement for you, Aquarius. There is an important announcement which I need to do for you, and the announcement is that I have made two tarot decks for your twin flame journey, and you can purchase them, you can buy them if you wish to. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you wish to buy these tarot decks. I'm going to show you these two tarot decks which has been made by me. So these are very beautiful decks, and the first deck for you is the twin flame messages, in which you will get 60 tarot cards. Okay, the 60 cards in which you will get the messages from your twin flame, and the deck I'm going to show you is like this. Okay, so you will get the messages whatever they are thinking or they are trying to tell you. This is the card, and this is very beautiful. I love the deck. After it get completed and I got my deck yesterday, I was in love with these cards. So these are very beautiful cards. Okay, this is very beautiful deck, and you can purchase them and it will help you out in your twin flame journey. So this is the first deck in which you will get the messages from your twin flame. What are the messages which they want to say to you? This is the first deck, and the second deck is the tarot deck. This will help you out in your twin flame journey if you do tarot readings. Okay, and if you are in twin flame journey, this deck will help you out, in which in this deck you will get 72 tarot cards. Okay, and this deck is also very beautiful. Let me show you like this. Okay, so this is a deck, see, like this. So this is also a very beautiful deck. After this completion, after I got this deck, I was very excited because this is very beautiful. It is looking so amazing, and I love the deck. So yeah, if you wish to purchase these deck, let me know in the comment section. I will let you know how you can purchase these deck. So this is the tarot deck, twin flame tarot deck. Okay, and this is the twin flame messages, twin flame messages and twin flame tarot deck. So these two decks has been made by me, and now it's completed and now it's on sale. Now you can purchase them. So let me know in the comment section if you want to purchase them. I'll let you know how you can purchase. So yeah, now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Beautiful two cards, and that's very positive card for you. The strongest, the powerful cards have come for you, the Fool and the Sun. So you are, Aquarius, taking the leap of faith and you're moving in a forward direction. Okay, and the Sun, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Okay, new beginnings in love, new beginning in life, new beginning in career. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, the Sun and the Fool. is here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very powerful reading for you today. There is Ace of Pentacle. Wow. Major arcana are here. I told you I'm feeling the wow. Okay. The Magician. Either you are manifesting something or someone is manifesting something. The Knight of Wands. This is a player kind of energy, but let me see the whole cards first. Okay, what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Two of Pentacles. What are the messages? The Strength card and the Queen of Wands. Beautiful. Any other message? You are creating stability for your life, Aquarius. You are creating stability for your life. The Devil is here, okay? There is some kind of toxicity for you. There is Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you. There is a lot of communication in which you will get to receive. Okay, there is Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and the Hermit. Any other message? Nine of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and the World card here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Death card. Death and rebirth. Okay. So, you are taking a leap of faith and you are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You are getting the new beginnings. The new happy beginnings are coming your way. There is a Sun card here and the Fool. So you are taking a leap of faith in your life and you are saying that now I'm going to move in a forward direction. I'm not going to stuck in a situation and I will create my reality. That's the word I'm getting for you. And sorry, I'm adjusting myself. So now I'm adjust. Yeah, so you're taking a leap of faith and you're moving in a forward direction and you are creating your reality basically, because you are manifesting it and you are having all the tools to manifest, Aquarius. Okay, you are having all the tools to manifest. You want stability in your life, you want new happy beginnings, you are taking a leap of faith and that's what you are manifesting. Okay, the Magician is here. You want stability in your life. There is Ace of Pentacles. You want stability, a stable life, stable committed offer, a new happy beginnings, and the Fool. Okay, taking a leap of faith and you are manifesting these things and there is someone around you who is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, there is Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Strength, and Queen of Wands, and the Devil. Okay, so there is someone around you, okay, who is trying to keep their strength with you. They are juggling a lot. They're trying to bring a balance. Okay, basically they're trying to approach you. That's the message I'm getting for you. Okay, they are someone who is Queen of Wands and Knight of Wands and the Devil. Some kind of toxicity is attached to this person. This is a player kind of energy, in and out energy. Okay, they cannot give you any kind of commitment because can you see how these cards are here? Knight of Wands with the Two of Pentacles. They cannot bring, they are not, they cannot come to a conclusion. I can say that they try to balance a lot. Okay, maybe they try to make a decision a lot but they are unable to make a decision, but they are keeping their strength with you. They are collecting the strength to approach you basically. Okay, this is a Queen of Wands. This is someone who is very mysterious, very passionate, creative. But there, can you see there is a black cat here? So they are very mysterious. They are collecting their strength, Aquarius. They are trying to come towards you. They want to talk to you, but they don't know how to talk to you because they are, not in a balance at all. Two of Pentacles. They are trying so hard to balance a situation. They're trying to this they are trying so hard to approach you basically, but they don't know how to approach you. But now they are approaching you, they are coming towards you, that is for sure. But this is a player kind of energy, okay? This is someone who always come in your life and then they play with your emotions and they ghost you away. Because Knight of Wands is someone who cannot commit you, okay? They cannot sit at one place. They will come and they will play with your emotions and they will go away, okay? So they are trying a lot to come towards you. That's why the devil is here, the Queen of Wands is here, can you see? But they're collecting their strength, they're keeping their strength with you. They're getting the confidence to approach you. They know that they cannot approach you basically, but they are gaining the strength to approach you. They are gaining that strength, they're gaining that strength to approach you basically. They're very mysterious, attractive personality, okay? This person is very mysterious, adventurous, okay, very passionate, but the toxicity is attached to them. And what's the toxicity which is attached to them is that they are the player kind of energy. They are non-committed energy. They cannot commit to you. They cannot bring a balance in their life basically. They are juggling a lot. Can you see how this man is trying to balance these two pentacles, but they cannot make a decision basically. Okay, so now you will receive communication from this person. Lot of communication is coming towards you. The Eight of Wands is here, okay? You are going to receive lot of messages. 1212 was the recording reading time. Maybe you receive lot of messages on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. Maybe you receive a lot of calls from them, but lot of communication, okay, is coming towards you. Can you see how many wands are here? So lot of communication is coming towards you, and they see you as someone. Can you see how this two person, I can show you like this, okay? Okay, they want to approach you basically. They don't know how to approach you because you are self-guarding yourself. Your defenses are too much high. You're protecting your aura, and they don't know how to approach you. They don't know how to contact you. They want to contact you, they want to approach you, they want to, be in touch with you. That's the message I'm getting. And they're very worried. That's the word I'm getting. They're very worried. They are not getting a way to, to get connect with you because your defenses are too much high. Your defenses are too much high and they don't know how to approach you. Seven of Pentacles is their energy and Seven of Wands is your energy. You are protecting your aura. Your self defenses are very much high. You are not allowing them to, enter in your life, and that's very good. But they are worried. They're looking towards you. Maybe they're looking towards your pictures or your profile or towards your life, that I want to talk to Aquarius. How can I talk to them? How can I approach them? Because they are very much protective. Their defenses are very much high. You are not giving, any one single way to, so that they can approach you basically. And why? Because you are doing your inner work. The Hermit and the Nine of Pentacles. You are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. See how this number synchronicities are here. 9 and 9, 7 and 7. Okay. So yes, you are working on yourself and you are happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. You are working on yourself. You know that you deserve best. You are, abundant in your own way. You are having everything whatever you want in your life, and you are enjoying your singlehood. You are looking answers from within yourself. You are doing your soul searching. You are asking your soul that what your souls are want, what your soul is required. But either this is your energy or this is their energy. But here I'm getting is two of swords is unable to make a decision basically. So this is their energy or this is your energy. Someone is unable to make a decision, but what I'm getting here is this is your partner energy. They are unable to make a decision. Can you see here? They were trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation, to approach you, but now they are unable to make a decision how to approach Aquarius. They are unable to decide how to make a decision how to approach Aquarius. And here I'm having the World card. Here you're completing some kind of cycle. Bottom of the deck I was having the Death card too. So yes, the transformation is taking place for you. The ending of old cycles and beginning of new cycles are happening. You are closing out a cycle with a person, okay? This is a karmic cycle which you need to complete with someone and you are completing it. So in the extended, I'm going to take these cards, but there is someone around you, Aquarius, who is trying to approach you, okay, who wants to enter in your life, but they are unable to find a way. They are unable to find a way how to approach Aquarius, how to get, see, they are gaining the strength. Strength is here. So they are collecting the strength, the confidence to approach you, and that's the judgment for you. Maybe some of you Aquarius, this is the judgment which is being made for you Aquarius, the judgment and the star. This is the judgment which is made by the divine for you. There is someone around you who wants to connect with you. They are collecting all the strength with themselves to approach you, okay? They don't know how to approach you. The Tower. Unexpected changes are happening for you. Something is shaking up. See, Justice. I told you this is some kind of judgment or justice which is being made for you by the divine. Maybe in the past, because this is the, can you see the Knight of Wands and the Devil is attached to this person. This is a player kind of energy, in and out energy. So maybe they come in the past and play with your emotion and ghost you away. That's why this is the karmic justice which is being served for you Aquarius, because here I'm getting the justice. After this Tower movement, the justice has been served in your case. You are enjoying your life, you are working on yourself, you are manifesting the new beginnings, the stability in your life, but this person is being stuck on you basically. They're keeping an eye on you. I do not know why I say that, because there is no Page of Sword here, but I'm getting that energy that they are keeping an eye on you. They want to approach you, they want to come towards you, but they are unable to find a way how to approach Aquarius. I do not know, but they will contact you Aquarius. They will try to give you lots of messages. They will come back, and that's the karmic justice which is being made for you, okay? You are moving in a forward direction. See, the Devil has again come for you. Bottom of the deck, Hermit. You are in a hermit mode. You are using your intuitions and you are doing your soul searching. You are moving in a forward direction. You are not stuck, and that's very good, because but this is the toxicity which is attached to this person. They are coming back again, okay? So stay away from this kind of energy. This energy is not good for you. The Devil is here again, but this time you are not stuck. That's very good. There is no Hangman here. This is the Chariot, okay? So you are moving in a forward direction. You are not stuck. You're not feeling like an hangman because of this Devil energy. Whatever this energy is, whatever the person is, this, they are coming towards you to approach you. They want to connect with you, but they are unable to connect with you. See, Magician and the Wheel of Fortune. You are manifesting it, or they are doing the manifestation, but the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. See, bottom of the deck again I'm having the Sun, the Emperor just fall out, okay? So you are taking the authority of your life, you're taking the control of your life, and that's very good. You do not have to give your control of your life to anyone, okay? So you are taking the control of your life, you are rising as an emperor, and you are manifesting new beginnings in your life. The sun is here. The sun is here, you're manifesting new beginnings. See, the sun. You're manifesting new happy beginnings in your life because you're taking the control of your life. You're not giving control to anyone else, and that's beautiful. So, thank you so much, Scared Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from Activation Oracle deck. What are the messages? You can be connecting with an earth energy, that can be a possibility. Two cards has been come for you, earth and romantic love. So this can be your romantic love. In the past you both were dealing with each other, okay? Maybe this is someone from your past with whom you are having a romantic love life with, but now they want to approach you but they don't know how to approach you. Okay, so the frequency of earth activates our deep connection to the physical plane by showing us the beauty of all aspects of our great mother and relieving the more ethereal spiritual aspects of our nature. So the earth energy is here. Then there is romantic love. The frequency of romantic love supports our journey to feel whole and complete through the experience and the reflection of a conscious lover. See, romantic love is here, and that's very beautiful because you are enjoying your singlehood. You know that you are complete, you are the love. There is a love inside of you, love flows inside of you, and you are very single, very happy, abundant. Okay, so that's why when you feel love, when you feel whole inside of you, you did not feel incomplete at all. Okay, you know that you are complete, and that's why they are coming back. They see you as someone who is blossoming, basically. Thank you so much, Activation Oracle deck, for giving the messages. Let's add one or two cards from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Quest, Destiny, one more card. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages. Pheasant. Any other message? Two more cards. Service, expansion. So the first card for you is Quest. Okay, so this card says that the Navy combines the blue of communication with the darkness of the unknown, allowing us to discover the truth. There is a bravery here and an ability to face the truth head on. Okay, so there is something in which there is a destiny which is written in your destiny, and you are facing it very bravery. See, that's why I told you that I'm proud of you, Aquarius. I'm proud of you. Okay, there is a courage, there is a journey, there are the answers which is coming your way. Okay, you're asking your question and this is the answers which are coming for you. There is a destiny card for you here. Let me read it out for you again. Destiny. Okay, black is the shade that demands to be taken seriously as it absorbs all color. Black emits the warm, powerful energy of the protector. Unlike black, white is isolated. Together they balance and create. You will be guided by your angels to what is best for you and all concerned. Okay, so this is very beautiful card that the divine is guiding you. This is, you are not alone here. Can you see in both of these cards? Actually, there are three cards in which there is a divine, I can say. They are the guides, they are the angels which are there to guide you here, here, and here also. The next last card for you is expansion. You are expanding, Aquarius. You are expanding as in whole. Okay, can you see how this, there is mother earth, there is divine, there is angel, everyone is giving you blessings because the expansion is happening for you. Why the expansion is happening? Maybe you have, you know, uh, have done some good service or good karma from in your family, okay, and you're getting the blessings back from that person's. This is the someone from your in your family, okay, maybe your grandmother, maybe your grandfather, someone old in your family, and you have given the service to them, you have taken care of them, and now you're getting the service, you are getting the good karma, the blessings of them with you here. The face it, I need to read it out, and that's the message from the face it too. Face it card is here. So the message is personal comfort comes with this metallic energy and a deep need to discover your true self. Earthy values and care for others are also represented. Being cut off from your feelings may be a challenge. Recover who you are and rethink your journey. Okay, so rethink your journey, Aquarius. And here I'm having the service card. In the, maybe in your childhood you were, you know, attached to your parents or attached to someone in your family, and you have given your service to them. So know yourself that who you are, okay, how beautiful soul you are. Because you are someone who is very loyal, okay. The energy here is one of the manifesting through being of service. This card indicates a steadfast ability to stay the course emotionally and create something sustainable and lasting. It can also bring to light not seeing or valuing what you have, okay. So just stay in your energy, Aquarius, because the expansion is happening for you. You do not have to worry at all. Beautiful messages for you. There is some kind of destiny, and maybe you are asking for question and answers, but do not worry. This is written in your destiny, and the divine is guiding you on this path, and you will get your expansion. You're getting expansion, you're getting transformation. All are with you. You are not alone at all. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see one card, one more. Excuse. Yeah, so I got three cards for you: Rajas, Mooladhara, Chakra, and the Ganesha. So beautiful three cards have been come for you, Aquarius. The Ganesha is the god of removing all obstacles and starting a new beginning. They are giving you the blessings. And there is a Mooladhara Chakra, the root chakra on which you have to work. Maybe this is blocked for you or this is getting open. I am going to read it out for you. And there is Rajas here. Okay, so let me read it out, all these cards for you. Let's see what are the exact meaning of these cards, so that you can get to know more. Beautiful cards for you, Aquarius, today. Rajas. Okay, you are in a place of movement, making the most of each day. You are passionate and excited about the task at hand and are pushing the limits of what you believe possible for yourself. Rajas is needed to bring our desires into action, and you are deep into developmental phase. You have already achieved many great accomplishments because of your determination, and more await in the near future. However, remember to balance action with rest, otherwise, you will lose sight of your true goal in the pursuit of achieving more. Okay, so that's as I told you, that you are moving in a forward direction, you are not stuck at all. You are rising as a chariot, and you are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius, because here I can see that you are manifesting it. And here the magician is here, you are manifesting it. You are not stuck in an energy. You are manifesting new beginnings for you. You are taking the leap of faith, and you're moving in a forward direction, and that's very good. So keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius, but just balance yourself. Take care of yourself. Do not work overload, okay? Just take a rest also, and balance your life basically. If you think there is 49 number, okay, where is it? I need to read it out for you too. There is root chakra here. So you have arrived in a place where you have very grounded in life. Your ideal home is in process of manifestation, and you are setting roots where you are. Okay. This reflects the deep healing work you have done to undo the ancestral ties that were previously holding you back. When you heal your personal life, you heal the lives of all those who came before you, and all you came after you. Ancestral hardships such as poverty, immigration, war, slavery, and abuse have come to an end, and you have set path for a new way of being. All of your ancestors to come, thank you for doing this work and anchoring deep within. It is only when you have healed the root that tree can grow. Okay, so you are doing, as you know, that you are taking the energy of hermit. I told you that you are doing your inner work, you are working on yourself, you're doing your soul searching. So as you are doing your soul searching, as you are working on yourself, some of you Aquarius, you have healed your root chakra, okay, your Mooladhara chakra. And as you move, heal your root chakra, it is now activated, and you are moving in a forward direction. And that's beautiful, because I know you are taking the energy of hermit. You are working on yourself. And I told you that the next card for you is Ganesha, god of new beginnings, and it removing obstacles, because you are working on yourself, Aquarius. Okay, you're working on yourself. I can say here, I can see here. So Ganesha is here. You are at the beginning of a new virtue that is going to bring you great success and joy. Ganesha has been removing the roadblocks placed before you, granting you a smooth transition into a very movement. These roadblocks do not exist outside of you. However, they are fluctuations of mind represented by his vehicle, the mouse. When you calm your waving mind, you are able to overcome any obstacle. Ganesha will continue to bring you good luck, success, and harmony with the sweets of Anand and the awareness of your true consciousness as bliss. So Ganesha is giving you blessing, Aquarius, that you can now start a new beginning, because here can you see you are manifesting new beginnings, and now you're receiving the blessings of the divine Ganesha also with you, because you are manifesting it, because you are manifesting new happy beginnings with you in your life. And that's very good. You are doing your soul searching, and here I'm getting beautiful messages for you. You're getting 3 beautiful cards from this deck, and that says that the inner work you are doing it, the time you are creating beautiful things for you, you are going to receive that gifts for you. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yes, keep going, Aquarius, like this. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards and let you know that what are the meaning of these cards. But in this reading, I can say that you are manifesting new happy beginnings. You are only putting the energy towards yourself. You are working on yourself, and keep going on, Aquarius. Do not stop at all, and balance yourself. Like, do not overwork also. Okay, take some proper rest also. You can take a rest and take care of yourself. So this was your reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, light, and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Okay, see you soon.